Hi guys, so today is going to be the last lesson of probability of this topic. So well done. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding, not underline, we're going to be finding the probability, working out the probability of an event. So as a title, subtitle, working out the probability of an event, and we're just going to be doing one question and then the rest is for homework. All right, good. So pretty a nice start to the week, and we've already discussed a little bit how to work out the probability of an event in our first video for probability. So we've got Adam, and Adam has a bag of 4 red, 8 green, and 12 yellow sweets. So if we have to visualize it, now we've got a bag, and let's color it black. Okay, let's have a big black bag, and we have 4 red. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They're lovely sweets, right, guys? And how many green is there written in the question? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 12 yellow sweets. So yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now he takes a sweet without looking, and we need to find letter A, the probability of red, letter B, the probability of green, and letter C, the probability of yellow. And I think I'm going to add a letter D. We'll do it at the end. So, for letter A, okay, let me write in black, guys. Or let me write in blue so that we have it at least a different color. I don't know if this, no, this is still fuchsia. So, for letter A, okay, probability of choosing a red sweet. So probability, capital P in short. In brackets we write down red sweet. And how many red sweets are there in total? And if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of how many girls? So we've got 4, and we have it written down. 4 plus 8 plus 12. If I do 12 plus 8, girls, I'll immediately get 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So this is all over 24. And what must you think about when you have fractions? You must always think about how you can simplify. And the number that goes into both 4 and 24 is the number 4. 4 into 4 is 1. And 4 into 24, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6. So the probability of getting a red sweet, of choosing a red sweet, sorry, not even getting, of choosing a red sweet is 1/6. Let's find out the probability of choosing a green sweet. So probability, green sweet, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, even from our question, 8 all over. How many girls in total? In total, 24. So this is equal to, what number goes into them? 8, because 8 into 8 is 1. And 8 into 24, 8, 16, 24, immediately 1/3. And the last one, girls, of what there is written. What is the probability of choosing a yellow sweet? So probability, yellow sweet. Okay, and how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like what we have written here. 12 out of how many girls? 12 out of 24. And what number goes into both of them? Now, some of you will say the number 2, the number 4, the number 6, but the highest common factor of both of them is the number 12. 12 into 12, 1. 12 into 24, 2. So if I look at my probabilities, I've got 1/6, 1/3, and 1/2, and I can get them into decimal numbers. But why am I thinking like this? Well, first of all, what I just want to quickly do, because it's annoying me, girls, and I'll do this in blue, I like to do the all over. You know, for me, it's very important to write the fraction one on top of the other and draw the line. So imagine I tell you which is the sweet that Adam is most likely to pick. If you visually look at it, which color is shown the most is there inside the bag? And you'd immediately tell me the color yellow. Now imagine you don't have it visually, but you have it as probability values. How are you going to figure this out? Which is the sweet that Adam is most likely to pick? And what you can do, first of all, if you look at your fractions, which is the largest fraction? And the largest fraction is a half. Okay? So it's still the yellow sweet that Adam would most likely pick. Another way how you can do it, imagine it's in a calculator paper and you're feeling a bit, you're not feeling confident in fractions. What you can do using your calculator, girls, is you can convert them to decimal numbers. And all you have to do, if I have to open my calculator right here in front of me, I literally just do, for example, for letter A, 1 division by 6. And the answer is 0.166666 recurring. All right, so let's just write it over here on the side, 0.16666. It keeps on going. So it's the recurring. 1/3, again, you can do the same thing. You should know what value this is. 1 division by 3 equals 0.33 recurring. So right now, who is going to win, the red or the green sweet? The green sweet, because 0.333 recurring is larger than 0.1666. And half, 1 over 2, you should all know it, it's 0.5. Now some of you will tell me, but if I have 4 3s, isn't 4 3s larger than 0.5? Remember, if I have 4 values written after the decimal point, I need to make sure that there are 4 values written after this particular decimal number, and if there aren't, I add the zeros. So, and then what happens, girls, it will become 5,000. So if I have to compare 5,000, 3,333 or 1,666, which is still the largest, and it is the yellow sweet. Now, another question that I would like to ask you, girls, imagine, what is the probability? What is the probability, I hope I spelled it right, of, what is the probability of picking a yellow or green sweet? So now there's a combination. So the probability of picking a yellow or green sweet, probability yellow or green, and this is equal to, how many yellows do I have? 12. How many greens? 8. So in total of the 12 and the 8, what do they add up to? 20. 20 all over how many? All over 24. And what number goes into both of them? We can do 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. We can do division by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 25 all over 6. So girls, when you're writing it as a fraction, you always have to see, okay, what is the examiner asking me to find? And so on the top, it will be the regarding the event. And in the denominator of your fraction, it is the total number that you have in this situation. And you always have to write it in this format: probability, capital P, and whatever you are looking for. And that's the end of today's lesson. So, you've got your homework, try it out, and do let me know how you get on, girls. Talk to you tomorrow.